Today on 30-Minute Meals, we are making lemon butter chicken. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add olive oil. Then add your chicken. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until browned and cooked thoroughly. Once thoroughly cooked, remove the chicken and set aside. In the same skillet, add the chicken broth, butter, lemon juice, and dried thyme. Bring to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. In a small bowl, whisk together the cornstarch and cold water until smooth. Add the cornstarch mixture to the skillet and stir until the sauce has thickened. Return the chicken to the skillet and spoon the lemon butter sauce over the top. Serve with your favorite sides. For full recipe, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.